In this video, we will learn how to check new keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive. So let's start. This is my Google Drive. Here in Google Drive, have one message pop up. New keyboard shortcuts drive. Keyboard shortcuts have been updated to give you first letter navigation. To see all shortcuts, just click on the See Shortcuts, and here the one dialog box open keyboard shortcuts. Here you see the all shortcuts. There are two column here, new shortcuts and old shortcuts. Just drag below and you can check here the all shortcuts of Google Drive. So if you want to see in different browser tab, so just click on the view all in help center, and here you can see the all shortcuts in table format properly. If you want to copy it, you can copy that shortcut in your Word documents and any other note documents. Okay, so here you can see the proper table shortcuts. It's mentioned. If you want to copy this table, you can it in your Word documents. Okay, so if this pop-up message is not showing on your Google Drive, so you can use the shortcut key to open the keyboard shortcuts control slash. Okay, to open the keyboard shortcuts dialog box, control plus slash. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.